everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you? I'm doing okay. We're on day 6 of 12 of my birthday giveaway. There is a playlist below with a video in it explaining how this giveaway works, and the rules are under that video. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? Yarn! We have yarn! Pretty purples, whites, and pinks. Beautiful! Okay, this is ABC Yarn Prints DK. This is yarn from the Knitting Network. It's beautiful yarn, but anyway, it's soft. Okay. It's a 3-weight, because it says DK, which means double knit, which is 3-weight. 100 grams, approximately 250 meters, 273 yards, 100% anti-pilling acrylic, made under license in Turkey. Ooh, it says hand wash. It's acrylic, but it says hand wash. No iron. You can dry clean. Do not tumble dry. Do not bleach. Why not tumble dry? Anyway, okay, so this color is 004 Lullabies. Lullabies. That's the color. And I have 2. They're so pretty. Okay, so we have a word of the day. All right, so, okay, the word is, okay, I cannot pronounce this. Onomatopoeia. Okay, it'll be written on the screen. It is spelled Onomatopoeia. And this word is brought to us by Christine Abrams. Awesome, thank you. Such a long word. So using a sentence, make up a sentence. If you don't spell it correctly, that's okay, I'll still accept it, because that's a doozy. That's a doozy. Tutorial for this. I'll link it above. I think it's over here. I'll link it above and in the description box if you're interested. This is one of my favorites. I have a few favorites that I've made, and this is one of them. You want to see the whole thing? Why not? I love it. This was made with some kind of ice yarn. I don't know what it was. Okay, guys. Yeah, tomorrow will be day 7, and then after that's day 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so yeah, I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, thanks. Bye.